Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to assemble a simple Christmas tree. You've got this round base and you've got this four longer ones, long base, and those five are going to make up the base of the Christmas tree. So you grab the round one. It's got four partitions, just like I've shown you. So you just basically take the long angled ones and fit into each partition, making sure that point is on the floor, like forming a sturdy base. So you make sure that is on the floor and this in here. You do this for the third one, and also you just do it for the last one, like so. And typically you will find like 3 layers of the tree: a larger one, the middle one, and the smallest one. So you take the largest one and place in that hole, like so, and you just arrange the tree as you want. For me, I use like a phone, and just view from the phone wherever there are gaps. I feel it. I just keep adjusting until it's perfect, so to speak, perfect. You still have to beautify with the ornaments and all that, but then the tree has to like look all right before you do all that. So you get the middle one and place in that hole, just as I've done in the video. Make sure you follow the video just the way it is, and you just adjust and adjust and adjust again as you've done for the first tree. Just keep adjusting, spread it out. Use a mirror, use a phone at a distance. Look at it. Where is lacking? Where can I fill up again? And that's just how I arrange mine. And then you get the smallest one, which is the top of the tree, and slot it in the hole, and as usual, spread out, like this. I've had to fasten the video so that I don't take all the time. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Please subscribe now, like and comment if this has helped you. Thank you so much. And so you keep spreading and spread out. That's basically it. You just grab your ornaments, the beautiful ones, and beautify the tree however you like, and the Christmas lights, and that's it. Typically you will find the star on top. You just slot the star in. Also, I haven't shown in this video anyway. Thank you very much. See you in my next one. Bye.